Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a shopping haul of aesthetic items that can all be bought in Shopee. So let's get right on into it. So the first item I got is this cute lamp that I got from this shop. So it's like a white blob or dumpling that has a little plant bud at the top. And it's super cute because it has that woo face with a red or pink cheek. And it lights up by tapping it or like hitting it hard. This is the manual it came with, and you charge it using this charging port at the back and then simply hit it or tap it to turn on. So yeah, moving on to the next one. So this one is another lamp I got from Shopee again. This is the Thunlit parang duck lamp na may egg. Super duper cute. I like this better than the previous one, pero I think this was more expensive. This one is kind of similar to the one I bought, so you have to tap it hard at the top to turn it on, except this one has a button inside that you have to press. And this is the manual it came with along with the charging cable. So it also has the charging port at the back for the charging cable, and this is how you turn it on. So you can also make it more dim by pressing it long, and this is how it looks like in the dark. So it's kind of warm tone-ish, and you can make it more bright by pressing long enough. And yeah, this is actually my favorite purchase because it's so cute. So this next one, this purchase is kinda unique because I just find it sa mga parang Pinterest, sa Facebook, on like aesthetic pages, and it's like this clock that is melting. It gives me like this very vintage art piece, though the material could have been better because it's very parang cheap looking, na parang plastic na, yeah, very cheap looking, but it's okay lang because it's mainly for the aesthetic and for the vibe. There's also this back compartment for the batteries, but I don't plan on using it since it's only for display. This is what it looks like on my shelf. It looks really cool, lalo na it kinda looks like a statement piece, something unique for your shelf. And yeah, this next one naman is something for my keyboards. Not this one because this one's a freebie, but it came with this super duper small package. It's like this parang artisan keycaps na you put on top of the keyboard. It's super cute because I got this Pom-Pom-Purin, this Donald Duck na blue, and then Kirby. And I also got this burger for my brother because he likes to eat burgers. And then this is me putting it on my keycaps na may parang clay sa baba para it sticks to the keycap itself. And yeah, I got them all for a cheap price since I got it in Shopee. So moving on to the next one is kind of a big package because these are like a lot. These are the Animal Crossing figurines na I found on Shopee. At first, I was like kind of skeptical because it only cost me like 400 for all of the figurines. I think this was like 12 or like 16 pieces. And I find it really affordable because these are like a lot of figurines only for like 400, while sa other stores you can get like 400 or 500 just for one piece. So this is kind of a steal, and this is me kind of assembling everything. This is basically just attaching their feet to this plastic or glass disc to make them stand. And yeah, it's kind of cute, but I think the material of it is kind of cheap. considering it's only 400, so like it's kind of understandable. I think I know half of these characters, but the other half I don't think I saw it yet on the Animal Crossing New Horizons game. So maybe it's like an older version of Animal Crossing. So yeah, these are the characters that I'm aware of. See the bear, and then this porcupine, and then the leather guy, and then the fossil guy. Yeah, but I'll still keep all of them nonetheless. So yeah, moving on to this last one. Now I really like this purchase because I got to print out my artwork for like a really big mouse pad. So if you're aware of my outro video, this is the parang image or like artwork na I have. I got it custom made from this store, so if you're interested, you can go check them out. And yeah, that's basically it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye!